This is the elevator at 725 Cherrington Pkwy in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 300A with MT. It's holeless. Down to 1. Turn it out. Bump. Here, 1. Go back up to 2. Oops. HIPAA just mentions patience though, not the elevator. Certificate, I don't know what yours is. I'll check the airlock and see the phone's cut off. Oh no, there's no phone with more certificates in here, so we can just check one of these certificates. 1996. Second, 2. It's a basic white laminate cab, or probably more like a light gray. Close is not going to be it.